underprivileged. I think this is one movement which is really needed in India. So what I thought after reading all this, actually I was reading a magazine where I saw that this white ribbon movement was there. Then I thought, why should we start this white ribbon movement? It was started by men, not by women. But let a woman start this white ribbon now. Every woman must wear this white ribbon and present it to father, brother, husband, so that you have to empower us. So you have to snatch this power. And there are two hands. One is right, one is left. ये हाथ तो बहुत काम करता है, तो ये हाथ भी कभी पीछे नहीं रहना चाहिए. So today we are starting this white ribbon movement in India, and I think if you are wearing it, you have to promise, you have to pledge, right from the beginning, from a small child to a young girl to a sister to mother, our women should be empowered. Out of, whatever is our strength, 50% are women. Then why are they not working? Why they are not coming forward? Because somebody is multi-billionaire, lakpati hota hai, wo kehte hain ye ladki kya kama legi. So this thought must go from your table to your patients. So please आप अपने टेबल पे ये white ribbon बना के रखिए. Empower all your women, उनको घर जाके husband को present करते. और मैंने print out किया है, वो पढ़ लो. अगर आपको अपील करता है तो नीचे अपना नाम लिख के ये movement शुरू करो, so that our women are empowered. So thank you very much.
First of all, I congratulate you all for Women's Day, rather Women's Empowerment Day. I wish to extend my warm welcome on this sunny and warm room to all the delegates who took out time from their busy schedule to attend today's CME on andropause and menopause on behalf of Dr. Surjeet, Principal Secretary, Indian Menopausal Society, Jalandhar branch, and on behalf of Dr. Sushma Chawla, President, IMA Jalandhar branch. I welcome Dr. Maninder Ahuja, President, National Menopausal Society, and congratulate her for such interesting topic selection. I welcome Dr. Mrs. Dhillon, DIG DSF, Dr. Parminder Singh from DNC Ludhiana. Menopause, well-established subject and important change in life, while andropause, equally important, sometimes colloquially called menopause in some parts of the world. It is trying to establish himself now. Now I hand over to Dr. Shalini for further proceedings.
नमस्कार. सबसे पहले आप सबको मेरी ओर से वुमेन्स डे की शुभकामनाएं. कोई भी अच्छा काम शुरू करने से पहले हम पहले ईश्वर वंदना करते हैं. तो मैं फिर आप सबको इनवाइट करती हूँ कि मैं के लिए. आई इनवाइट डॉक्टर सुषमा चावला, डॉक्टर सुरजीत, डॉक्टर मनिंदर आहूजा, प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड, डॉक्टर कमल गुप्ता, डॉक्टर परमिंदर, डॉक्टर निजोदीन,
भाजी साइड पे हेलो भाजी. और यार पीछे भी देखो प्लीज।
Now I invite Dr. Sujeet for
start, you are the scope of a life. It's my proud privilege to be standing before you on this magical afternoon. I welcome you all in this post-lunch session. I give my most warm welcome to all of you. I welcome our vibrant, enthusiastic, untiring, and inspiring leader, Dr. Maninder Ahuja. She is President of Indian Menopause Society. She has specially come for this CNE from Faridabad. I welcome Dr. Parminder Singh, DM Endocrinology. He is Head of the Department Endocrinology, Danan Medical College, Ludhiana. And I am thankful to him. He has accepted our invitation to enlighten this topic, subject andropause. I welcome all the IMA and IMS members, all my seniors, juniors, and my dear colleagues. I welcome Dr. Manvinder Mankor, both senior gynecologists of our town. I welcome Mrs. Dhillon, PID PSF, and I welcome Nura sister Sufi Singer, who are making the name of our city, Jalandhar and Punjab. As you all know, transition is always fascinating from childhood to adulthood, from reproductive age to climactic. It is also associated with unknown fear of change in life. This is true for menopause also. This affects both body and mind. And menopause, it is not a disease, but it requires delicate care from doctors, family members, and society at large. Menopause brings maturity in life, but there is an emotional instability also. So it is a time to embark upon a new journey. We as Indian Menopause Society are trying to make the change meaningful. India Menopause Society is a multidisciplinary society. It was launched in 1995. Since then, it has grown into an active, vibrant organization with 36 chapters across the country, and it has more than 2,000 live members from different specialties. Now, it is an honor and privilege to be the secretary of this prestigious organization and a pleasure in my mind to welcome you all from the depths of my heart for this CNE. I welcome you all for this CNE, and the theme given by our president is for this year 2014 and 15, Ascent of Woman through Midlife, spreading wings of IMS 2014 and 15. Thank you.
We welcome Dr. Mrs. Imar. She is from Gynae department. Thank you, sir.
I welcome Dr. Malwar Chandra Kaur, the senior most gynecologist of our area. Now Dr. Sushma Chawla will say something. Our own Dr. Sushma Chawla, IMA President and NARCI President. Few words from her.
A very good afternoon. I welcome all of you on this, great occasion. Indian Universal Society is a very dynamic society, and here we are with a very dynamic presence. I present to you our dynamic presence. I think it should make the whole thing very vibrant. So I welcome you here, and I think I hand over the mic because without wasting any time, you have to introduce very many guests.
Noora sisters have arrived, and everybody in today's date knows about them. They are Sufi singers, and Sufi Sangeet made them the voice of Punjab, and their voice versatility had made them voice of India. Jyoti and Sultana, individually of Tum fame, come from a family of musicians. They were trained in Sufi Sangeet. Now I request them to come forward. For their achievement, we wish to honor them. Kindly come forward, ma'am. There are two voices, but one resonance. Noora sisters.
हेलो
हमारी सबकी बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटीज आपके साथ हैं। आपकी आवाज ने इतना धमाल मचाया हुआ है। मैं यहाँ पर एक few sentences उसके बगैर तो आप नहीं जा पाओगे यहाँ से आज। चार लाइनें से
Mic should be yours. Can you just
यहाँ पे देखना चाहते हैं।
शादी फोटो कराने रुक
सबसे तो हम आप सभी के बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं और आपका बहुत प्यार मिलता है। हम उम्मीद करेंगे कि ऐसे ही आपका प्यार मिलता रहे। पर उस मालिक के नाम की तालू हो जाए जोरदार। तो आपकी नजर 2 महीने के गौर में न सुनी।
लोकों की रीत चलाई है जमी मथे वट पाई लोकों की रीत चलाई जमी मथे वट पाई